I look at her area hiccups part 10. Oh wow, this jungle is huge. People with there's no splash at the tiger. Can you find the tiger?
Yeah, there it is. Tiger. He's a friendly tiger, but I'll bet he has a nice big roar.
I was right. We were surprised our friend Rocket. Let's get the tiger surprise Rocket. Shh. This is what we're going. I got tired. We're going to give toys to people and.
Drives the hiccups away. Let's creep like tigers.
Creep, that's creep, retardado, creep, retardado, creep, retardado, creep, retardado, creep, retardado, slower, retardado, creep, retardado. Road! Rocket, I'm surprised.
That was some sneaky creeping. That was loud, Frozen. It must have.
Now, safety, the rules. People are gonna get scared. They'll try.
Does Rocket still have the hiccups?
You're right. Who be big these days?
Now what should we do?
Quit simple to stop it with the hiccups. And take a roar to the stop it of the hiccups.
We need the biggest
Who be sneeze?
stop Rocket's hiccups. I've got it. A geyser. A geyser? A geyser? What's it?
What geyser?
It's a hole in the earth that shoots out water high into the sky. A geyser will be the biggest surprise ever. Perfect.
To Rocket, answer the eagle out. I'm sorry. Which way is it? Something clues.
Starting line. The race is going to start soon.
Don't worry, Rocket. Make these sneeze and the hiccups.
I see the geyser holes, but June, where's all the water?
This is great. Come on, let's do the geyser. Surprise Rocket. We could use the start say splash. Let's practice. Ready? Listen to music. Shh, use your cans. By the way, do you like a want? Maybe can help.
Yep, right there, Rocket. That's good. Okay.
Alright, get ready for the splash. When the music stops to say splash, let's try it again. No. Rocket was out of the water. Alright, he's gonna go to the road trip. It's time to take a groovy think these streets. You're right, it's it.
What do we do now?
The two back to the groovy think these streets.
We've got to stop these hiccups soon. The race is going to start.
Don't worry, Rocket. Make these sneeze. Say a sound. I couldn't, too. Where did you go, Rocket? Rocket, come back!
It was just a mouse.
Rocket! That's what I'm trying to use a surprise on you. Oh, man! Try it again! Rocket his hiccups. Movie, make this sneeze. No! You didn't! Rocket out of the rocket! Pull me out of the sneeze!
Yay! Come on, we've got to get to that race. Thank you, little mouse.
The race is starting! We have to catch you up! Go, Rocket, go! And you're off! We have to have the rocket go faster! Put your hands to go to be of music! Rocket is doing it across the globe! You're going to catch you up fast! Rocket go around the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Time to say the Eiffel Tower!
Yeah, there it is.
Go, Rocket! Now you're heading for the appearance and eject.
Go, Rocket! Hooray! Almost there. Whoa, Rocket is passing airplanes.
Whoa, Rocket, Avery, left and right, keep going! It covers a rush road. Look, there's another plane. We gotta catch you up. Wow, the Great Canyon is so big.
So big.
Go, Rocket. I can't believe. What's going to say like this? Rocket is passing the end of our exit. Death, bitch! Shut! Rocket, you can't pass him. Rocket is the lead. No! God, no! Bitch, no! Rocket is the lead. The finish line is getting closer. We are gonna pass faster. Rocket is a winner! Bitch, that you lose! We won! I couldn't have you to do, Rocket! Rocket, they are also flying. Yes, sir, Rocket Racer. See rise again. How do we believe in it again? Mission accomplished. Who's expect me? Believe it. You me what? See. Let's and it's you. Grab your it's so we're not gonna really sit you time.
So, and now, the moment you've all been waiting for.
Yeah, what's going on with you?
The music we heard today.
But sorry, bounce. I said bounce.
You helped a lot today.
Oh, yes, so. Yeah, you're trying this. See you here. Tomorrow, school schedule is on Thursday, January 8th. Yes, Hungarian Hiccups. That's the end. I'm gonna step it on his priestess the sky. Look, what's up? What's on the vlog?